Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question 132 divide by in the parenthesis 4 multiply 3, then it's all multiply 5. Okay, so before I solve this question, just want to see your answer. So please comment your answer with step by step, because I will give you a personal score from out of 10. Okay, so now let's see who gets a perfect score 10 out of 10. Okay, so please stop this video right now and first comment your answer and then play this video to check your answer. Okay, so now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS, P E M D A S. Okay, according to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, then second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so in this question we have one parenthesis and one multiplication. So first priority is parenthesis, then we have to solve multiplication. Okay, so now let's solve this parenthesis. So in this parenthesis we have one division and one another parenthesis. So first we have to solve this parenthesis. Okay, so is equal to 132 divide, now solve this parenthesis, 4 multiply 3 is equal to 12 multiply 5. So now 132 divided by 12 is equal to 11 multiply 5. So now 11 multiply 5 is equal to 55. Okay, so the correct answer is 55. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.